Hi everyone. We recently launched a new mode in UXMagic called Agent Mode. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to use Agent Mode, what has changed from the old version, and what's new here to help make your workflow faster and better. Let's start with a prompt. Design a mobile app onboarding flow. Make sure it has 3 screens where login happens with phone number and OTP. I'm going to send this prompt to the agent. It will analyze the prompt in detail, plan the style, generate a project name, and create a list of screens it expects the flow will include. It has now given me the screens to review. I can change the order of the screens, reject them, and provide feedback, or approve them so generation can begin right away. As you can see, it has generated a 3-screen onboarding flow for this application. If I want to add one more screen to ask for the user's name, I can do that. Or I can ask for the name on the phone number screen itself. I'm going to tell it, I need username as well along with phone number in @phone number entry. I can use @ to reference any of the screens on the canvas. I'll send that now. As you can see, it has added the username input tab in this phone number entry screen. I can also see version 1 and version 2, so everything is segregated between versions as well. Now I want to change the style guide of the whole project. I can see the style guide for all the screens is Modern Indigo Onboarding, so it automatically renamed the style guide. I'll click on this style option on the right, then go in and change the primary color to something around orange, dark orange, or brownish. I can change the font as well. I can shuffle through the font options and see the changes live. Once I find one I like, I'll just click Save Theme. Now I've saved this Modern Indigo Onboarding theme with the new fonts and colors I selected. That's one of the things we have here. Apart from that, let's see what we can do next. I can also plan with the agent. I'll enter. So I want this app to be a financial dashboard for a teenager. Plan me dashboard screen and generate it. I'll also add, think of what else we can add in this. I'll send that, and it will suggest ideas based on what it scans in the canvas right now. As you can see, it has given me some screens to review: teen dashboards, saving goals, and financial quest. These are the 3 screens it wants to generate to make this app better. I'll click Approve, and it will generate all 3 screens. As you can see, I now have the 3 screens I asked it to create, but I don't feel the design is teen-friendly yet. So let's ask the agent to make all the screens look like a teen-friendly dark mode UI with Gen Z vibes. I'll add, make it cool with neon color as primary color. Now you can see the visual style of the app feels much cooler and more teen-friendly. Next, I want to hide some feature inside a paywall. I'll ask the agent to ideate and tell me what that feature can be. It will ideate based on all the screens and give me suggestions for what can go inside a paywall. It has given me 3 options: AI Financial Sensei, Exclusive Highly World Quest, and Crypto and Stock Market Paper Trading Simulator. I'm going to go with the second version. I think this is cool, so let's go with it. The agent has now added this exclusive quest inside the Financial Quest screen. Now, let's ask it to make a paywall screen as well. Also make a profile settings screen. All right. Now we can see it has generated a paywall screen with payment and related details, and it has also generated the profile UI. That's done. Apart from this, maybe I don't like this style. I want to change the font. I'll tell it. I want to change the font of all screens to sans. I'll send that, and it will handle the change for me. While those changes are happening, I'll show you some cool features we've added recently. Now you can go to any frame and double-click on it like this. Once you double-click, you enter edit mode. Let's say I want to edit this font size. Maybe I want to make it smaller. I can do that. If I want to change the color of the font, I can do that as well. I can also make it italics or underlined. I can align it to the right or even increase the padding. If I want the top padding to be 12 and the left and right padding to be 8, I can do that too. In the same way, I can change the fonts and switch it to something like monospace. I can also go to Tailwind mode. If I'm a developer, I can easily change the Tailwind configuration here and make the updates I want. These are a few of the things I can do, and I can also ask AI to make the font bolder. It will apply that change for me. I can also select a section and type a request here. For example, I want this section to be bento. Once I send that message, it will update the section for me. As you can see, this section has now been converted into a bento section as well. So yes, this is the whole new UI experience. I hope you're enjoying it, and if you run into any problem or error, feel free to contact us through this button, having troubles. We're available 24/7 to help and resolve your issues. Thank you so much. I hope you like the new releases we launched recently.